Hi, Brana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we learn how to validate and verify the email addresses in bulk. So for this purpose, we will use this collab.research.google.com and this script of Python code. You can find its link from the description of the video. So before running the code, I have to install pip install DNS Python. You can see it's already installed on my system. So you just have to copy this code, paste it here. Okay. So I will type the two wrong emails first to test the code and to correct email address according to my personal knowledge and information. So this one is wrong, one at pearl11.com, comma, wrong two dot at pearl11, and the last two Saurabh at pearl11.com and Vakas at pearl11.com. Okay, you can see the top, this one and wrong two is bounced, and the last two emails are okay and safe to use. So it's a simple method to validate and verify the email addresses in bulk. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.